In the world of plastic recycling, efficiency and reliability define success. Introducing the automatic compactor type double-stage plastic recycling line, engineered and manufactured by Micro Machinery Manufacture, a trusted name in recycling solutions. This machine is designed for processing PP raffia waste or woven sack bags. It can also process unwashed or dry washed woven sack materials. It handles challenging materials with ease, delivering consistent output and stable performance. The process begins in the automatic compactor unit, where loose plastic film, raffia, and woven materials are continuously cut, compressed, and densified. This creates a uniform, hot mass that feeds directly into the extruder, ensuring steady melting and smooth pressure for better pellet quality. The double-stage extrusion, also known as the mother-baby system, provides high-efficiency filtration and degassing. The first stage removes impurities and moisture, while the second stage refines the melt and even filter the material second time, producing clean and high-strength granules that are ready to be reused in various plastic applications. The system uses strand pelletizing technology, where the extruded strands are water-cooled, air-dried, and precisely cut into uniform pellets. Each granule maintains consistent color, density, and quality, ensuring maximum output value for the recycler. For even greater accuracy and automation, the line is equipped with an automatic master batch doser and an automatic additives doser. These systems ensure perfect color mixing and material performance in every batch, maintaining consistency across production runs. Every component of this line is designed for durability, low maintenance, and high energy efficiency. The automation features reduce operator dependency, enhance productivity, and provide a seamless recycling experience from start to finish. At Micro Machinery Manufacture, we believe recycling is more than a process. It's a commitment to sustainability and innovation. Our technology transforms plastic waste into valuable resources, helping industries move toward a cleaner and more responsible future. Micro Machinery, innovating for a brighter future. Come, let's create a sustainable future together.